In short, I believe from my professional experience and opinion that marriage is part of the healing process. Marriage will help you to stop this because, see, pornography, I don't want to draw the parallel to this extent, but it's like it's a manifestation of a need that was built into us, the need to be intimate, to make love. It's like being hungry, wanting food. Of course, you cannot stop yourself, you cannot fast forever. You need to eat. You need to be intimate too. Allah created you like that. And puberty is the sign of a man being ready pretty much to be intimate, give or take. Human beings, the way we set up our cultures and our societies, that we deny that fitra, desire, and need to be fulfilled. Imagine if someone would stop you from eating food. How would you react? What would you do to get food? You'd do anything. That is why people fall into pornography. Again, when we deal with these issues, a lot of community members will say, oh, pornography is a problem. Oh my God, astaghfirullah, haram. But they don't understand the person who's stuck in it, the person who is addicted to it. And not just that, they don't understand why. Where did it start from? Where is the beginning? We see the problem in front of us. And yes, it is a problem. Many people do address it now more than before. But not many are willing to adventure themselves to question, why is this an issue? Some will say, we should have more iman. I agree. We should lower our gaze. I agree. We should fear Allah. I agree. But why not also talk about why do we deny the natural desire that Allah has built into us? Why do we deny it to ourselves? Some will say, you have to be, isn't it about controlling your desires? Controlling your desires from haram, not from halal. Prophet ﷺ was not a monk. He visited all his wives in one night sometimes. The Prophet ﷺ was very intimate. Whether people like it or not, the dalil is there, authentic, clear, that he was a very intimate man. The only time he would tighten his belt would be in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Other than that, Bismillah. So how does the community deal with this? Why don't we look at where the problem starts from? We're never going to solve it unless we understand. Do I have the solution? I have a few propositions that I made to communities of helping our youth to get married early, helping with premarital coaching, with selection processes, with opening a few more options for marriage and so on. But I don't know, sometimes it feels like it falls on deaf ears. We need to solve the problem. You're not going to solve just by telling people, fear Allah. Why did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reveal punishments, for examples, preemptive measures, all kinds of things? He didn't just say, just fear Allah. Fear Allah is the greater umbrella. But in order to fear Allah, we also take certain preventive steps that are part of the means to protect ourselves for the sake of Allah, i.e. marriage, i.e. many other things. To have this skewed view of this problem, and we're never going to solve it unless we broaden our horizons and look at all the Sharia, the Sunnah, the context of the life of the Prophet ﷺ, and look at how they dealt with the issues of shahawat and desire. Indeed, it is a problem. Indeed, we have to address it. But we're not going to be able to solve it unless we, inshallah, address it straight up.